ESD vinyl flooring tile is designed to control static electricity and is suitable for environments like electronics manufacturing, data centers, labs, and healthcare. Here are its main features. 1. Static control. ESD PVC flooring tile ensures static control with its conductive and dissipative properties, preventing static shocks and protecting sensitive electronics. 2. Body voltage. The body voltage of ESD tiles made by Y.H.F floors is lower than 100 volts, to ensure safety and effective static discharge performance. 3. Static decay. The ESD vinyl tiles manufactured by Y.H.F floors have a static decay of no more than 0.01 seconds. 4. Resistance to wear. ESD static flooring tile is durable and resistant to wear, stains, and damage. 5. Chemical resistance. ESD flooring tile is designed to be chemically resistant, meaning it can withstand exposure to various chemicals without degrading or losing its properties. 6. Fire resistance. Anti-static flooring tiles made by Y.H.F floors meet China GB 8624 standard. The combustion performance reaches the flame retardant B1, BS1, T0 level. Also, our ESD PVC flooring tiles meet European N 13501 standard. The test result of fire classification is BFTS1 issued by SGS. These features make anti-static flooring tiles a practical and effective choice for static-sensitive environments, balancing functionality, aesthetics, and ease of maintenance. Thanks for exploring the world of ESD flooring tiles. Goodbye.